So whilst renovating the kitchen, I am replacing the old TV that's mounted on the wall as indicated by this red rectangle here with a new bigger telly. You can see the old TV mounted with a mount as indicated by the blue rectangle. The new TV as indicated by this red rectangle is considerably bigger and needs to be positioned roughly here. And using the old TV mount, the mount would need to be kind of positioned roughly where this blue rectangle is positioned. When we look closer at the area where the TV mount needs to be moved to, you can see that we've got the problem of a coax cable embedded in the wall along with a power cable. Not to mention the fact that this wall is actually stepped as indicated by this yellow line. To resolve this problem, I'm proposing to build a plate to attach to the wall as indicated by this red shaded area. And the plate can be mounted approximately where these yellow dots are placed, therefore avoiding the embedded cables in the wall. Then my existing TV mount can be mounted to this plate as indicated by the blue rectangle. Here I've sketched out the template for the mounting plate on a piece of MDF. A quick whiz round with the jigsaw cuts the template out of the piece of MDF. I drill and insert raw plugs into the wall, carefully avoiding the wires. Here's the new plate attached to the wall. And the TV mount is now attached to the plate. A quick coat of white paint makes the whole thing look a little bit more attractive. And there we are, the new TV is now mounted on that awkward wall and it's all ready for me to watch some of my favourite stuff on YouTube. As ever, thank you for watching. Please like the video, assuming you liked it, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.